All right guys, we are going to do an AMA. So we're going to do an Ask Max Anything on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Guys, if you've got any questions about what your lawn's doing, about what you should be doing through winter and then coming into spring, what our products can do for you, anything greenkeeping related that you might, from my past, I've got 10 years in the industry, so ask me anything you like. I know there'll be some greenkeepers out there that'll try and stump me, that's fine, no worries. We'll pick 5 questions, so make sure you get your questions in by Sunday night, and we'll film a video and we'll get it out to you Tuesday afternoon. Thanks guys.